Welcome to Lizbee Kitchen. Today we are going to make a flavorful and a mild side dish for rice. That is Rawbanana Podimas. It is a typical Kerala dish. And it is a perfect alternate for other regular raw banana dishes. So let us go through the entire video. Please subscribe my channel. To get notification, please click the bell icon. So let us go through the ingredients. For making raw banana podimas, we have to peel and clean 2 raw bananas, 2 finely chopped onions, 6 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 numbers of green chili, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 pinches of hing, salt to taste and 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. For tempering, here I am using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of each mustard seeds and urad dal. For newcomers, here I am going to show how to peel this raw banana for making podimas. Peel off the skin completely like this. For not getting stain on your hand, apply salt on your palm. Here I am already peeled and cleaned 2 raw bananas and pressure cook for 1 whistle by adding 1 glass of water. Cook in medium flame until soft but firm enough to grate. The whistle depends on your cooker too. So if you aren't very sure, you can just boil and cook the veggie in water. Cook only till soft, yet crunchy enough to grate, else it will turn mushy. When the cooked raw banana is cool enough to handle, shred it with carrot grater and keep aside. Drizzle oil. When hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Saute for 1 second. Now we are going to add finely chopped onions. Add chopped garlic and green chilies along with onion. Saute till onions turn golden brown. Now onions turn light golden brown. Now add grated raw banana. Mix well. Add turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add 2 pinches of hing. Saute well until it starts browning and it is roasted well. Dry roast for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add grated coconut, give a quick stir and switch it off. Enjoy flavorful raw banana podimas with any variety of rice.